Hey M08 Nation, Jason here. As we wrap up the secret to perfect landings, I would be doing you a disservice if we didn't talk more about crosswind landings. If I can be honest with you, I didn't master or even get good at crosswind landings until about the time I became a commercial pilot. A lot of hours, but I just always shied away from them. Nowadays, we can't always shy away from them. We have to embrace crosswind landings. We're landing runway 32. I'll have a little bit of wind from my right, and I'm going to show you a crosswind landing technique. Beam my touchdown point, carb heat, power back, 10 degrees of flaps. Now on a gusty day, I may not use full flaps. I may only go 20 degrees of flaps or so, just so you can understand and realize all of that as well. It goes for gusty landing days as well. Williston traffic, Skyhawk 23 Mike Zulu is turning left base 32, full stop, Williston. We're looking good here, turn in base. Now actually on base, I have a headwind right now because I have a crosswind coming from my right. So on base, with a crosswind coming from the right, it can be a little bit more challenging. Now it's a headwind. When I say from the right, I mean when I'm lined up on final, it can be hard to get down and actually lose altitude in this configuration because you're flying into such a headwind. You might feel like you're standing still. The opposite is true when I have a tailwind pushing me. It's very easy to blow through final, so you need to always know where the wind is at, especially on base doing crosswind landings. Williston traffic, Skyhawk 23 Mike Zulu is turning final, runway 32, full stop, Williston.
500.
Look good. I am going to land with just 20 degrees
Bonanza
of
4581 here, is turning down one, left down one for 32, touchdown.
I'm going to hold this here. I'm a little bit faster, but that's because I'm only coming in with 20 degrees of flaps. I don't mind coming in a little bit faster. I've got the power back to idle. Everything is set. Just managing speed and altitude a little bit better here. Holding that. Now I teach to kind of crab into the wind like we are right now, as you can see. We're crabbing to the right, crabbing to the right, crabbing to the right with the right pedal. Now I'm going to drop my right wing with some left pedal and right aileron. Hold that, touch the right wheel down first, followed by the left wheel, and then followed by the nose. I now am going to slowly start to roll in my crosswind correction, as you can see now here as well. Always taxiing with our appropriate crosswind correction. We'll clean this plane up, get out of this guy's way that's behind us as well. M08 Nation, thank you for being a blessing to us. Can't wait to read your comments below this video on YouTube, on Facebook, on M08.com. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and most importantly, remember, the good pilot is always learning. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you.